So, welcome to lecture series on C programming in C and data structures. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the switch statements. So, we have seen that when one of the many alternatives is to be selected, we can use an if statement to control the selection. However, the complexity of a program increases when the number of alternatives increases. So, it is difficult to read and follow the program at such times. So it may confuse the person who even designed the program. So for this, we have a multi-way decision statement in C called as switch statement. Switch statement is the value of the given expression against the list of choices of values. And if any particular value is matched, a block of statement associated with that particular value or the case will be executed. So this is the general form of switch statement. So inside the switch, we will give the expression. So this expression is equated to a particular value. For example, if this value is 1, the case block 1 will be executed, and if it is 2, case block 2 will be executed. And if none of the values are equated, default statement will be executed. So the expression which is given inside the switch is an integer expression, or it can be a character. And value 1, 2, 3 are the constant or constant expressions, which is known as the case labels. Each of these values should be unique within the switch statement. No repetition of values are allowed. There is no need to put brackets around these case blocks. So we need not open a case block with curly braces and close it with closed curly braces. So the case labels has to end with a colon, not a semicolon. So we know all the statements are terminated with semicolon in case of C, but in case of switch, all the case should be terminated with colon. So when the switch is executed, the value of expression is compared against the values value 1, value 2 respectively. If a case is found whose value matches with the value of the expression, then the block of statements will be, corresponding to that particular case will be executed. Break statement at the end of each block signals that the end of the particular case passes an exit from the switch statement, transferring the control to the statement X outside the switch. Default is an optional case. We may give the default statement or we may not give. If it is present, it will be executed if the value of the expression does not match with any of the case values. If it is not given, no action will take place. If all the matches fails, and the control will directly goes to the statement X. So if you see here, we have statement X. So if this expression fails and default statement is not there, this particular statement X will be executed. So this is one example. So here I value is given, it is initialized to 2, or we may get this I value at runtime from the user. This I value is mapped with the case labels. So the case label which particular case label that maps and its case block will be executed. Here I value is equal to 2. So case 2 will be executed. So printf case 2 is given here. So case 2 is printed. So the switch expression must be an integral type. So here are the rules for writing or defining switch statement. So the case labels must be constant or constant expression, and case labels should be unique. No repetition is allowed. We cannot give two case ones. No two labels should have the same value. Case labels must end with colon and not semicolon. The break statement transfers the control out of the switch statement, and it is optional. The default label is also optional. If it is present, it will be executed when the expression is fails, and it will, if it is not present, the statement outside the switch block will be executed. So we can also nest one switch inside another switch, like how we did in if statement. So we can also nest switch statements. So in the next video, we will see about the conditional operator, which is question mark followed by a colon. This is also called as a ternary operator. Hope you understood the switch case statement. So in the next video, we will see conditional operator.